Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make clips on Twitch. This fantastic feature allows you to capture exciting, funny, or impressive moments from any live stream you are watching. Clips are short video segments, typically up to 1 minute, perfect for sharing your favorite stream highlights. They help you save and revisit those special memories, connecting you further with your favorite content creators. To begin, simply open the Twitch stream where you witnessed an amazing moment you want to save. Look for the small clip icon, resembling a clapboard, which is typically located on the bottom right of the video player window. Clicking this icon, or using the convenient keyboard shortcut, pressing Alt and X together, will immediately open the clip editing interface for you. This action automatically captures the last 30 seconds of the stream. Once the clip editor opens, you will see a simple timeline representing the video segment it just captured. Use the white handles on either end of this timeline to precisely adjust your clip's starting and ending points. You have the flexibility to create a clip as brief as 5 seconds or as long as 60 seconds, ensuring you perfectly frame the highlight. Watch the preview to confirm it looks exactly right before moving forward. With your clip perfectly trimmed, the next crucial step is to give it a compelling title. Choose something descriptive and engaging that accurately reflects the moment you have captured, as this will help people discover it. After entering your chosen title, simply click the Publish button at the bottom of the editor. Your brand new clip will then be processed and officially uploaded to Twitch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.